Hey YouTube, this is Jessica B. I'm coming at you today to show you my order. I ordered from 13signsastrology.com. I ordered healing stones and I'll be opening them up now. Here's the package. I'm so excited. Oh wow, it's both. I ordered healing stones and the green stuff. The green stuff pill. So these are the capsules. They come in a nifty bag like this. And here are the stones. Can you see? Yeah. Oh, these stones are nice. I don't know what each stone is called, but you can just go over to the website and see. I'll have the website in the description box. There's one. Purple is my favorite color. Here's another. That's blue. It's really, really dark. It's hard to tell if it's blue or black. Here's a brown one. It's really nice. And another blue. Oh, this is so exciting. These are my first crystals. I'm excited.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Yay! I'm going to keep you all updated on the green stuff and to see if they work, or how they work, or how they change my body, because I'm sure that they will work. It says our green stuff, take 2 capsules 2 times a day with water, eat healthy, active ingredients moringa. So it's handwritten. So yeah, it's nice. All right, I'm gonna see how it works. I'm ready to be healthy.